Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dad. I'm from Faculty of Environmental Sciences. I'm delighted to be here today to demonstrate about our study, toxicology assessment of ion exchange modified from the polystyrene waste to the growth and reproduction of aquatic insect Daphnia. Our supervisor are Dr. Trần Thị Huyền Nga and Associate Professor Dr. Phạm Thị Thúy. First, in the introduction, heavy metal in aquatic environment are dangerous aspect can cause severe health effects. Besides, polystyrene plastic products are now widely used, but most of the products after using are discharged into the environment and causing potential risk affecting human health and the environment. Therefore, to blame down negative impacts on the environment from both heavy metal and polystyrene waste, the application of recycled waste polystyrene to remove heavy metal in water environment is essential. The toxicity test aims to test the safety possibility for organism. The toxicity test 1 is carried out to ensure the safety during applying the modified waste polystyrene, we call it PSM, to water treatment. The toxicity test 2 aims to test dissolved heavy metal capacity of equilibrium material, we call it PSE, to the environment. Toxicity tests are commonly conducted on different organisms, but in this study, we conducted on Daphnia magna. Daphnia magna is an excellent organism to use in safety assessment because they are sensitive to changes in water chemistry and are simple and inexpensive to raise in an aquarium. Secondly, the subject we used include Daphnia magna provided by the microbiotest company in Belgium, and the material are PSM and PSE. Daphnia was cultured in the medium which contains 7 major stocks and maintained under static conditions. The concentration of PSM and PSE is chosen from 0 to 100 parts per million for testing. Each experiment with specific concentration was conducted 3 times repeat. The toxicity of the material will then be evaluated by calculating Daphnia magna death rate after 48 hours, which is displayed by the curve of the relationship between mortality rate and concentration exposed to PSM and PSE. After 48 hours of exposure, LC50 value of PSM and PSE were 27.5 and 12 parts per million respectively. Compared with a published article using different material, our LC50 value after 48 hours was significantly higher. That means our equilibrium material might be safer than their material in water treatment. Finally, we have put the conclusion on the poster, and we require to do more toxicity testing of the material on different organisms. These are the references that help us to complete this research. Thank you for listening, and we are very appreciate to hear all your comments and questions. Please keep yourself safe from the COVID-19 pandemic.